me mateys. So you want to be part of the Cloud Escape crew? Wait no longer. Post the name you'd like to see on our crew board in the comments by November 26th. Join us now or walk the plank. Yaha!
Hey guys, a slightly different video today. Since I'm launching Cloud Escape soon, I wanted to give all the people who have helped me so far the opportunity to be featured in the game. The pirate area is my favorite, and I can't think of a better place to feature your names. So I modeled a crewboard in Blender and will place it somewhere in the game. On this crewboard I will put a texture that will contain all your names. I will accept your comments until next Friday. However, I will reserve the right to reject names that are inappropriate in my eyes. Thank you for your incredible support, and I hope to see many names. See you soon. Bye.